Assalamu alaikum. It's your Nomad Consultant here. So first of all, I want to apologize to my Nomad Rides followers. It's been a while. I've just been a bit busy with my other channel, Nomad Consultant. Make sure you check it out. I'll put it in the description below. Anyway, so back to the Lexus. So I've actually tried as a part of an experiment to sell this car. So the last update was I was going to advertise on Facebook, okay? And as a result of it, that's a free platform to use, and there's quite a few people on it. So I've had 1 or 2 people shout out on that. And now I have a buyer potentially coming this evening. So what I'm actually doing, I'm going for my coffee, so that's why you can see me in the McDonald's queue here. And then I'm going to go and get the car washed, because I like, if I go check out a car, to go pick up a clean car. So at least I might as well use those machine. But 1 second, let me get this order here. Hi there. Yeah, just a cappuccino, please. Nice one. Yes, please. Alright, thanks for that. So anyway, let me put the sensor a bit low. Yes, so apologies for that. I gotta get my caffeine fix. So I'm gonna take it to a car wash, and I'm gonna see if I can film it, because I'm gonna go for these, remember those when you guys were kids, you watched those people going, we didn't have cinema back then maybe, but you take your kids into the car and then they'll just enjoy the whole car wash. So I'll try it out, because I've never tried filming in the inside. So that's my plan of action. So yeah, I will actually pause the video here, get my coffee, because I'm gonna start driving. I need to be safe. And then after that, I will record the inside and I'll keep you guys posted. Alright, peace and love. Take care till the next part of the video. I'll see you guys later. Yes, it's your Nomad again. So right now I've come to the car wash here, one of these kind of inside car wash where you can go into the machine. Let's see what deals have they got. I'm gonna speak to the guy and try and get some discount. You know how we roll, us Nomad Consultants. So I'm gonna probably do it inside outside. Let's clean and dry. Let's just see. Let's just see. I'll go clean it inside outside. So yeah, let's see how well I can negotiate in regards to discounts. So get ready. Hi there, brother. You alright, man? Look, I want to do it inside outside, please.
You're not allowed to do the inside.
Oh, you know what? I forgot about COVID. My bad. Okay, I just do outside. What's a good one for the outside?
So we do like 8 options for outside. The best one is Ultra HD, 13 pounds.
13 pounds. What does that include? With the alloy wheel or?
So because we are due to lockdown restrictions, we are not able to do the pre-wash.
Okay.
So it will affect a bit the quality of the wash, mostly on the wheels.
The wheels, okay. So because I'm looking to sell the car, so I want a nice clean, but I don't want to spend too much. So what good price do you recommend?
I don't know. It's up to you.
You know what?
I'll say like 650 then.
Oh yeah, you know what? I'll go for the 650. That's just not anyway outside, so I'll pay by card anyway.
Yeah.
Nice one. Oh, even better. Let's see how contactless it is from the window. Ah, sweet, man. I'm impressed.
Yeah. I think you have to put your card in.
Ah, okay. Unlucky.
You have a different card to try.
No, this one, yeah.
Because I think you used too many times.
Yes. No, it's if it's a new place, it does a little check.
Yeah.
So I know when for example, if I buy coffee in a different city, and it goes, okay, just to check that it's me.
Yeah.
Let's just check. Good to. Perfect. I pull out, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice one.
Did I go receipt?
And also, okay, my friend. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Same to you, man. Take care. Okay. Once I'm able to, let's just see, park up. I'll switch the camera around. Let's just see. And like that. Yep. Sorry, back? Forward. Okay. And I put it on park, neutral, and switch off engine.
Yeah, don't touch any brakes.
Okay.
Brakes, don't touch.
Okay, wait. Ooh. It's okay?
That's it, okay.
Okay.
Window, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright. Okay, let's just say I'm gonna turn off the engine. Oh, I can't turn off the engine properly. Okay, let me just turn off the sensor because it's going crazy. Okay, guys, let's just switch the camera right. Here we go. Too late now. I've already watched the. Okay, let me turn off. Because this has the automatic sensors, I need to make sure I turn off everything. How do I turn that off? Off. Yep. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to turn off this. There we go. Turn off the engine anyway, so it's all good. So, back in the days, we used to dream. Woo, it's too loud, you can barely hear me, but here we go. Okay, we've now got the wash, all the brush going through. Now we're gonna go for a bit of a dryer. At least the good thing we can see the car in front of us, how it's being done. There you go. You can barely see it, but it's all good. This is the part that I like, because all of this heat. Respect to drivers who own convertible when they take a risk coming to this kind of car wash. There we go. Always get worried about it's gonna touch it. Woo. I always used to wonder about this. Is it actually cleaning, or is it just kind of going over your car body, to be honest? Because there's no kind of, any strength. It's just kind of caressing your car, really. So maybe it does something. Maybe with the heat, who knows? All the liquid they're using over there. That's the thing about COVID, you kind of miss that personal touch, the human touch. Or at least you get the car clean to some extent. So here we go. It's not a really great day to be given a car wash, but at least if the buyer comes today, they at least have a clean car. Hopefully it's not a time waster. But anyway, this car needed it. Those cheeky birds like to use this car as a reference. I know. Okay, good to go. Let me put the car in neutral. Okay, back in park and start it. Okay, alright guys, let's go. So, let's see how the car looks. Let me zoom out. Yeah, nice and clean. Woo! Wheels look good, man. Worth that £6.50. Thank God I didn't go for the other one. Yeah, still a bit soapy here, but yeah. In these COVID times, the best thing we can get at least. Alright, let's go.